Sugars, I'm super excited about today's video. We're going to be making the perfect chocolate cake mix cookies. These are super easy and super delicious. The winner of this video's comment competition goes to Sugar Beet. Hey Sugar Beet, if you guys want to get entered in the next comment competition, all you have to do is give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and give us your best comment in the comment section down below. Good luck! In a stand-up mixer, you're going to beat together 1 package of chocolate cake mix, 2 eggs, half a cup of oil, and half a cup of oats. Now add 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now scoop your cookies onto baking sheets. Put them in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 to 9 minutes. Now enjoy! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to come back to our channel every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11:30 Central Time so that you can be there when our videos premiere. Thanks, guys!